Hello, my name is Esmeralda Painter. This video is for my Human Nutrition Master's Capstone course, NHM 597. In this final project for my master's degree, I connect my academic knowledge to explore a nutrition-related issue in my local community, and I propose an evidence-based solution to the problem. For this project, the community I have chosen is the military police soldiers at Fort Bliss. My target audience for this video is senior military members and dietitians. These professionals were chosen since they have the power to make changes and improve the nutrition-related issue I will present. Senior military members may coordinate and/or advocate for the evidence-based solution I have proposed, and dietitians can further reach out to military leaders in order to provide their help and expertise. The nutrition-related problem being addressed is the poor eating habits of soldiers living in dormitories, which negatively affects their physical fitness and body composition. In data collected among 200 soldiers, 40 have failed physical training or body composition assessments. This can be due to limited access to kitchens. A major factor is having irregular rotating work shifts, such as swing shifts. This can cause them to miss out on regular dining facility hours. This leads to soldiers to heavily rely on fast food. This short-term reliance on fast food can result in poor fitness assessments, while the long-term consequences include increased risk of obesity, cardiovascular issues, and other health problems. If unaddressed, soldiers risk being discharged for failing to meet physical fitness standards, which could impact their ability to perform their physically demanding duties as MPs, ultimately affecting the community they serve. I propose a nutrition education workshop for soldiers that teaches them how to cook with limited resources, which would reduce their reliance on fast food and improve their food and health literacy. Studies have shown that nutrition education combined with handouts or videos can significantly motivate individuals to change their diet. One study found that nutrition education increased fruit and vegetable intake in low-income individuals. This intervention is well suited to address the soldiers' needs as it encourages them to collaborate with roommates to purchase low-cost kitchen appliances, fostering a sense of community while improving their health. It's a practical solution that accounts for their socioeconomic status and shared dormitory living environment. For this project, I interviewed 3 senior enlisted soldiers that are involved with physical training tests to get more information on this topic. All the individuals I interviewed have extensive experience and background in military physical training. They all were in agreement and all believe that soldiers should have more access to a dietitian. They believe that routine nutrition education should be a continual part of their training so that they can be ready for their physical training tests. They also all agreed that proper nutrition education is a missing gap that needs to be addressed for readiness. The benefits that this solution can have are ultimately improved readiness rates for soldiers. When soldiers feel themselves better under the guidance of a registered dietitian, they can feel better and perform better. To enhance and maximize Army readiness, nutritional health is a major pillar of holistic wellness for the soldier. This will lead to decreased physical training tests failures in the long run. To end this video, I encourage senior military leaders to advocate for their soldiers' nutritional status, since it plays a major role in their overall health. Senior military leaders can reach out to the nutrition department at the hospital and schedule general nutrition education workshops on a quarterly basis, or even come up or write a policy that states that soldiers with failed PT tests should assist nutrition counseling and/or meet with a dietitian. Military leaders should further encourage soldiers to reach out to the Health Promotion Office. Thank you for watching my video.